Hello and welcome to Emmanuel Trending TV, where we bring you the best content on self-improvement and personal development. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of self-improvement and how you can start working towards becoming the best version of yourself. Self-improvement is all about making small changes in your life that will help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. It's not about being perfect, but rather about making progress and moving forward in a positive direction. So, how do you start your journey towards self-improvement? The first step is to identify your goals and what you want to achieve in life. Whether it's to improve your health, advance in your career, or develop better relationships, having a clear vision of your goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Once you have your goals in mind, it's time to start taking action. This could mean starting a new hobby, learning a new skill, or taking on a new challenge that will help you grow and develop as a person. It's important to remember that self-improvement is a process and takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep pushing forward. Another important aspect of self-improvement is self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your actions, thoughts, and behaviors, and consider if they align with your goals and values. If not, identify areas where you can make changes and start working on them. Surround yourself with positive influences and people who support your journey towards self-improvement. Seek out mentors, join groups or communities that share your interests, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Emmanuel Trending TV. Like, comment, share and please turn on the notification bell for more tips. Overcoming fear and doubt. One of the biggest obstacles to self-improvement is fear and doubt. Many of us have limiting beliefs that hold us back from reaching our full potential. It's important to identify these beliefs and work on overcoming them. This could involve seeking out therapy, reading self-help books, or practicing mindfulness and meditation. Time management. Time management is crucial for self-improvement. It's important to prioritize your goals and make time for activities that will help you achieve them. This could involve setting aside a specific time each day for exercise, meditation, or learning a new skill. It's also important to eliminate time-wasting activities and distractions, such as social media or excessive television watching. Developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for self-improvement. It involves believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. This mindset allows you to embrace challenges and learn from failures, rather than giving up or feeling discouraged. Building resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and overcome obstacles. It's an important trait for self-improvement because setbacks and challenges are inevitable. Building resilience can involve practicing self-care, developing coping mechanisms, and seeking out social support. Celebrating small wins. It's important to celebrate your progress and small wins along the way. This can help you stay motivated and feel a sense of accomplishment. Celebrating small wins could involve treating yourself to a special meal, buying yourself a small gift, or simply acknowledging your progress and giving yourself a pat on the back. By focusing on these topics and tips, you can start your journey towards self-improvement and achieve your goals. Thanks for tuning into Emmanuel Trending TV, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and please turn on the notification bell for more tips. We'll see you next time for more tips on self-improvement and personal development.